accuracy is what you need, my tool is definitely what you want. V-line is the tool for the job. I'm cutting in a valley piece of plywood. It's 42 1/4 on the bottom and 6'3" on the top. All right, what you need to do is find out the difference for future reference, which is 33 3/4. 42 1/4 on the bottom. Come over here, mark 42 1/4. Already marked. Take the V-line out. Line up with the line guides. Simply take your chalk line, lay it in the line guides. Walk around to your line point. Now, line all the way to the end. This is the old way of doing it. You usually have to drive a nail right on the corner. Say you're popping the same line. You sit there. If you notice, the top it's turned sideways over there, so it's not accurate. And it doesn't go all the way to the end. The line doesn't go all the way to the end. With my tool, the line not only goes all the way to the end. If you lose your clip, you can still use it because it goes off the knot and not the clip and not on your thing. So if you decide just to tie a loop, if you lose your clamp, it still works. It goes all the way to the end. It also holds your tape measure for you. Take the tape measure and slide it in that groove, and you can pretty much lay out 1x4, anything 3/4, anything 1/4 inch to 3/4, you can pretty much lay it out with this tool. 4 inches, the difference is 32 1/4, 32 3/4, so you come over here and measure 4 inches. See how that drops? See how that thing drops every time you go to market? That's where a tool comes in handy. You can come over 4 inches and get that exactly 32 3/4. The reason that you want to put your line right here instead of there is because this much of your chalk line doesn't get chalk on it. So you always want to try to start it on the back line guide. Come across to here. And that way you're assured a line all the way to the edge. When we get a close-up of this, you'll see that the line goes right up to the edge, which is what you're after anyway. Carter, come get this! Another old way people are used to doing it is pretty much like this. It's kind of hard on your body, and you can't do it the normal way because when you go to an angle, your chalk line slides. So that's why you need my tool. My tool is definitely the tool you need. If accuracy is what you need, my tool is definitely what you want. V-line is the tool for the job.